I vote we give it one more pull if media has time. Like I said, media, we're on your schedule. Thanks
Oh.
for showing up. But don't. Like as soon as you're like, oh man, I gotta go, then it's fine.
He's like, I'm tired of this shit.
Yeah, we're close. We're close. And if we get there cleanly, we could use the LB3 for we fuck that part up. Because that's what we did the last group we cleared.
Wow.
It was we fucked that part up. LB3.
Alright, big hit into cast.
Wide.
Stay out.
Right.
That's good. Probably. Outside sink first.
Fred. Go.
Watch where she's jumping.
Anti. Stay out. Anti.
Tank stuff.
Moving.
Alright, get ready to refresh.
Refresh.
Whenever. Yeah, go refreshing. Okay.
Going. Ah! I'm trying.
It's okay.
Just fine.
Mine is just the.
I'm gonna refresh real quick.
I need a refresh. Okay, partner with me.
Oh shit. That was classic.
That somehow it worked out.
Shielding.
Move to your left so I can get in, please.
Rie, move back. Rie, move back.
Crap, going.
Woo. Jeez.
It's okay, pay attention.
2 and B.
So it's right here, in between 2 and B. In between 2
G?
and B.
Remember, if we're gonna die, we'll all die together.
Wow.
Tank
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah.
Get out of my way. Get out of my way.
Watch out for Ixa. We're going to be doing this Art of Darkness boss relative.
Left side. Partners. Right side. Go. Go. Nice.
Okay, get ready for towers after this. It's gonna be meteors. Drop your bramble puddles at the same place.
Good guard. Okay.
It's gonna be an anti-air. Anti-air.
Anti. Stay out from the middle.
I'm stupid. It's fine.
It's fine.
I got
Raid
Reyna.
white.
Raid wide is coming up right now. I'm not pressing a button.
Thank you.
Remember, you're going near where your partner stack is. You're going to the safe side near where your partner stack is. So think colors, not necessarily. Dodge to Art of Darkness first. I'm gonna go in towards the boss, Andres.
And spread.
Or no, it's your Rodian.
There's no way I could be
It's,
fast enough and spread.
LB3, LB3. G.
Yeah, it's fine. No, just salvage them. Don't worry.
There's going to be a tank buster on Andres. Watch out for wherever he's going. Just get ready to heal him after. Or raise him when we can. It's going to go do tiles. So
Tiles?
orient yourself. It's the same as the first tiles, pretty much.
Yeah. You're gonna book it?
Yeah, I'll take it.
What?
6, 5, 4,
I need to hit my
Plow
side.
through?
1.
It's fine. Just let the damage pile through.
Go.
Stay. Just
Yeah, it's
stay
fine.
alive.
Alright, get ready to refresh in just a second.
Oh shit.
It's fine. Andres.
Alright, go back.
Everybody back.
Andres, refresh real quick so I can.
Rie, go back.
Stack.
Come
Lisa.
closer.
Focus. Focus.
I'm going back to this outer cloud. Or
I'm going.
it's
Rie,
going to be
back
another
up.
Art of Darkness. It's going to be another Art of Darkness.
Shooting.
Same side.
Cal, let me refresh.
Rie,
Okay,
move.
never mind.
Go,
Rie,
refresh,
move.
refresh,
Rie,
refresh.
move.
Oh, go.
Go, 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 go. Chill, chill. Back to normal.
shit.
Whoa.
Who was there?
Back,
Me.
back behind me. Back, Andres.
Got no mitigation.
That's fine.
Calm down.
Kill them- kill
Just
the
keep
dogs.
keep doing it.
Good job. Good work.
No, got it.
How hard was that?
So unclean.
It's
Yeah,
okay,
I'm
man.
telling you that the
Cleanest one.
Picture! Picture!
Look
Yeah,
at
picture.
this.
Media,
Let's just
thank you very much for
let's just-
coming.
Thanks, media.
sit
Here
on the
you
bed. Thanks, media.
Stay for the picture.
Media.
Reindeer
Stay for the
picture.
picture.